Every summer, the headlines repeat. Record heat waves across the globe, with yet another city pushed to its limits. These events are hitting harder, one after the other, becoming ever more frequent. Yes, global warming is a driver, but it's not just about the hotter summers. Heat waves are now carrying cascading consequences, ranging from human health and air quality, even causing the collapse of entire ecosystems and poses a real threat to our food, water, and even the stability of our weather. Most studies surrounding this topic easily find a scapegoat by saying that heat waves were made worse by climate change. While it offers some truth, it doesn't actually give an answer to who's responsible for them. If we're able to track down these issues back to their source, we'll then be able to hold the right players accountable. This is where this study comes in. Rather than stopping at climate change, it helps connect the dots between the ongoing heatwave crisis with these companies, which are also known as carbon majors, or the primary culprits for emissions. Since 2000, researchers have analyzed 213 heat waves, using a consistent method in every event, making the work they've done so much more credible than singular case studies. What they found is that climate change increased the intensity of every single event, from as little as 0.3 degrees to nearly 3 degrees Celsius. Simultaneously, the likelihood of heat waves has skyrocketed. During the 2000s, it was 20 times more likely to occur than in pre-industrial times. However, in the 2010s, that jumped up to a staggering 200 times. The number paints a clear picture. Heat waves aren't only worsening, they're actually accelerating at an uncontrollable pace. This can all be traced back to primary players such as Shell, British Petroleum, ExxonMobil, and Aramco. Combined, the 14 largest emitters have just as much of an impact as the other 166 put together. This completely flips the conversation. Climate change is no longer just an abstract global problem, but rather it's measurable, traceable, and can be tied to named companies. It means that there are real implications for climate lawsuits, corporate accountability, and stricter regulations in the future. Extreme events like heat waves aren't just an act of nature anymore. In fact, they're acts of corporate emissions.